Trade me purple long and add small, please? Oh my gosh. Hell yeah, yeah, lovely star. You don't even look that rare. So I don't care this is under. I'm gonna accept this. Lovely star. What is taking so damn long? This is the best trade you'll ever get. Lovely star! Lovely star, where did you go? I have to go back to Coral Canyons. Wait. Oh, she spelled lovely wrong. Oh. I just want to get rid of this red log for a purple log. Is this too much to ask for? Someone please. Please! No! Are you... Who is in my den? Oh, it's Lovely Star. Just give me your rares, dude. Get me! Yeah, I don't even care. I know feather masks aren't reject shit, but I do want this purple long. Whoa! Finally! Ah. Why are they... ing me? Ah. Cheese! Can I offer for my purple long again? It kind of matched my are you fucking with me right now? No, there's no way. This person actually might be trying to scam. If Lovely Star gives me a shit trade, everyone go report Lav Lay Star 0000. That's 4 zeros. I know I was under. Are you trying to scam me? Oh, okay. Makes sense. I understand. I don't know if I believe Lavley Star 0000. Lavley Star is looking a little bit sus right now. Saying, ooh, the purple match my outfit! I have to go now. My mom wants me for dinner. Goodbye.